Hello friends, in last lecture we study permutations, product of permutations, dihedral group. Now in this lecture we will see Cayley theorem. Cayley definition here. Let f is a function a to b. Let be a function and h be a subset of a. Then image of h under f of h and it is denoted by f of h and it is denoted by f of h. Now one lemma. Let G and G dash be groups and phi is a mapping. Let G and G dash be groups and phi is a mapping from G to G dash. G to G dash be a one-to-one function. Be a one-to-one function such that phi of xy is equal to phi of x, phi of y for all xy belongs to G. Then phi of G is a subgroup of G dash and G is isomorphic to phi of and G is isomorphic to phi of G. That this map is already 1-1. This homomorphic condition satisfied. Homomorphic condition satisfied. Now to show phi of G is a subgroup, to show first show phi of G is a subgroup of G dash. For subgroup of G dash, that means take any two elements from phi of G. Okay, let x dash y dash belongs to phi of G. X dash y dash. That means this is the set of image of G under phi. Then there exists x comma y belongs to G such that x dash is equal to phi of x and y dash is equal to phi of y. Now see here, x dash y dash, x dash into y dash. X dash means phi of x, y dash means phi of y. Here phi of x, phi of y is equal to phi of xy given. This satisfies. And this belongs to phi of G. Since x, y belongs to G. G is a group. G is a group. X belongs to G, y belongs to G, so xy belongs to G, and therefore this element phi of xy belongs to phi of G. That means x dash y dash phi of G is closed under multiplication or closure property satisfied. Closure property satisfied in phi of G. Now, here E dash belongs to G dash, be an identity element. Be an identity element. Here E dash into phi of E. Phi of E also belongs to E, G dash. This is equal to phi of E. This is equal to phi of E. E dash is an identity in phi of E belongs to this. And so this gives phi of E. Again, phi of E can be written phi of E into E by homomorphic condition. This is phi of E into phi of E. By right cancellation law, phi of E get cancelled. This gives E dash is equal to phi of E. And phi of E belongs to phi of G. That means E dash belongs to phi of G. Is an identity element. This is existence of an identity. Existence of an identity. Now, existence of inverse. Now, existence of an inverse in phi of G. X dash belongs to phi of X dash belongs to phi, like X dash belongs. Then there exists X belongs to G such that phi of X is equal to X dash. Phi of X is equal to X dash. Now see here, E dash is equal to phi of E. E dash is equal to phi of E. Here E can be written phi of X into X inverse. Phi of X into X inverse. See here, this is equal to phi of X into phi of X inverse. But phi of X is equal to X dash into pi of X inverse. That means here product of this is equal to E dash. That means inverse, both elements inverse to each other. That means X dash inverse is equal to pi of X inverse. Phi of X inverse, and this is belongs to phi of G. This gives G. That means every element in phi of G has an inverse. Every element in phi of G has an inverse. So this gives, here also this can be written also, phi of X inverse is equal to phi of X inverse. Same way, here only write the value of X dash, and this gives phi of G. Therefore phi of G is a subgroup of G dash. Now this function phi from G to phi of G to phi of G dash. Now phi is a mapping from G to phi of G. Here phi is a 1-1 homomorphic, and clearly domain of G is equal to range of this. That means this is on 2. Here domain, codomain range of G is equal to phi of G, and phi of G is a codomain. That means on 2. Phi is an on 2. So phi is an isomorphism. Phi is an isomorphism. That means G is isomorphic to phi of G. G is an isomorphic to phi of G. Nothing to do on 2. Now our aim is Cayley theorem. Cayley theorem. Every group is isomorphic to permutation group. Every group is isomorphic to every group is isomorphic to a permutation group. That means take any group G. G is any group. Construct permutations on G. Construct permutations on G. And this is a G. This is a G. Set of all permutations on G. G is the only set. It is a group. Okay. And a G is a set of all permutations. Set of all permutations on G. This is a group of permutation. And define map from G to HG. And this map is isomorphic from G to subgroup of HG by above lemma. And then this is subgroup is a permutation group. Subgroup of this group is a permutation. That means G is isomorphic to subgroup of permutation group. Now, okay, let G be any group. We want to show G is isomorphic to subgroup of H. Subgroup of, then by above lemma Then by above lemma, we need to show only there exists a 1-to-1 map phi from G to Hg such that phi of xy is equal to phi of x, phi of y for all x comma y belongs to G. That means only this show there exists a map from G to Hg. Hg is a permutation group on set G. Permutation group on set G. And this map is 1-1 map and phi of xy is equal to phi of x into phi of y. Then group is complete. Now, here first define lambda x from G to G by lambda x of G is equal to xg. Lambda x of G is equal to xg. That means multiplication by left. Multiplication by x or left. Multiplication by left. Multiply x to left side. Okay. Here, show that this lambda x is a permutation. To show lambda x is an permutation. That means 1-1 and onto. Any map from G to G or A to A, if it is 1-1 onto, then this map is a permutation. Then this map is a permutation. This is map from G to G, this function. So it is 1-1 and onto. That means permutation. Here, now take lambda x of lambda x of A is equal to lambda x of B. Lambda x of this gives lambda x of A, define xa, here hb, and by left cancellation A is equal to B. This gives lambda x is 1-1 function. Lambda x is a 1-1 function. Now, for any C belongs to G, G means codomain here. C belongs to codomain. Now, X inverse, X belongs to G. Here, X belongs to here. X define for X belongs to G. Okay. X inverse C. X inverse C. X belongs to G. G is a group. X inverse belongs to G. C belongs to G. Therefore, this is belongs to G, and lambda x inverse C is equal to, here x inverse C, this is the C, that means preimage of C is x inverse C. Preimage of C is preimage of C is x inverse C under lambda x. That means every element of this G codomain as a preimage in G domain, so it is onto. Therefore, it is onto. This gives lambda x is an onto. Lambda x is an onto. Lambda x is 1 1 onto. Therefore lambda x is an permutation on G. Now, define phi is a mapping from G to SG. SG is the set of all permutation on G by phi of x is equal to lambda x. X is for x belongs to G. X belongs to G. The image of x under phi is lambda x, and lambda x belongs to phi x G. Lambda x belongs to G. Now, to show this mapping is 1 1. To show phi of x is 1 1. Take phi of x is equal to phi of y. Phi of x is equal to phi of y. Now, this gives lambda x is lambda y. Lambda x, this implies here lambda x of E is equal to lambda y of E. Okay? This gives lambda x of E means x E, y E, and this gives x is equal to y. Here take phi of x is equal to phi of y, we get x is equal to y. So phi is 1 to 1 function. So phi is 1 to 1 function. Therefore phi is 1 to 1 function. Now, homomorphic condition, to show homomorphic condition. Here lambda xy of G is equal to by xy G. Okay, this is x y G like this, and lambda x lambda y of G is equal to, this gives lambda x lambda y of G, that means yg, and again this is x yg, both are equal, that means here lambda xy of G is equal to lambda x lambda y of G. Therefore this gives lambda xy is equal to lambda x lambda y, lambda x lambda y. Now for homomorphic condition, use this relation. Here phi of xy is equal to image of this lambda of xy, and lambda of xy is again lambda x into lambda y by above relation, but lambda x is again phi of x, phi of y. This gives homomorphic condition. Phi of xy is equal to phi of x, phi of y. And so here this condition satisfy one-to-one function by above lemma. This homomorphic phi is an homomorphism. So from above lemma, phi is an isomorphism map G to subgroup of isomorphism of map of G to subgroup of H. Subgroup of H. That means subgroup of H is a permutation group. Subgroup of H is a permutation group. That means G is isomorphic with a permutation group. G is isomorphic to permutation group. This is our Cayley theorem. This is our Cayley theorem. Okay, thank you.